Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy bonds in Dead Rails. Bonds are a crucial in-game currency, allowing you to purchase vital items such as powerful weapons, ample ammunition, and essential train upgrades from the lobby. To efficiently gather these valuable bonds, you should prioritize looting specific high-yield locations throughout your journey. Additionally, successfully completing your runs and tackling various in-game challenges will reward you with extra bonds. For the best personal gain, consider playing solo to keep all collected bonds for yourself. One of the most reliable ways to earn bonds is by thoroughly looting banks found in the towns along your railway. These banks often contain valuable bonds within their vaults. To access a vault, you will usually need to defeat a special banker zombie who carries the necessary 5-digit code. If you cannot find the code, dynamite can be used to breach the vault door. Each bank vault generally yields a good amount, typically between 4 and 6 treasury bonds, making them a worthwhile stop. Another highly lucrative location for bonds is the castle, which appears approximately at the 40-kilometer mark of your journey. This area is heavily guarded by formidable enemies like werewolves and vampires, so come prepared. A smart strategy is to use a horse to lure and manage enemy groups, allowing you to safely engage them with a rifle. Once the area is clear, meticulously search every room and even on top of bookshelves. The castle can yield a substantial amount, often 10 to 20 bonds per visit. To truly maximize your bond collection, always aim to complete your game runs. Successfully finishing a run awards you 10 bonds in normal mode or a generous 20 bonds in nightmare mode. Don't forget to consult the challenges board in the lobby, as these missions offer various ways to earn extra bonds. For the most efficient bond farming, playing solo is highly recommended, as it ensures you keep all the bonds you collect. By consistently targeting banks and the castle, you will quickly accumulate a significant bond stash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.